The more people see your product on Amazon, the more potential you have to sell that product. Sounds simple, but certainly not easy. There is a trick of how you can improve your product page's SEO. By the way, SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It basically means that your product is search engine optimized. In this case, the search engine is Amazon. And having an optimized search engine page means that the product will be indexed and potentially ranked so that more people can see it. If this all sounds confusing to you, that's why you need to watch this video till the very end, because I'm going to show you how you can simply fix your canonical URL. So let's get started. This video is for you if you're planning to launch a product on Amazon and you're a new seller and you want a simple trick to help you improve your ranking. This video is also for you if you're currently selling on Amazon. However, you find that your ranking is quite low. Maybe even your product is not showing up on the first page and you have no idea how to fix it. As always, get your computer and follow along as I show you what changes you need to make. And before we dive into the video, if this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. We are a certified Amazon service provider and we help hundreds of sellers every month on Amazon in the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, as well as Turkey marketplaces. And we love to share with you on this channel all the day-to-day tips and tricks that you require in order to succeed on the Amazon marketplaces in the Middle East. So if you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a thumbs up, and leave me a comment or question in the comment section below. In today's video is the URL that contains keywords. You'll notice for each and every Amazon product, anywhere between 5 to 7 keywords that show up in the title. These, of course, are very important keywords because they are very, very highly SEO optimized. Now, if you'll notice, the current keywords in the title do not match the same exact keywords. They're similar. They do not match the same exact keywords that are currently in the title. That's because these keywords right here in the URL are actually decided by Amazon as soon as you create your listing. Hence why, when you create your listing, make sure that you add high-ranked keywords. Now, how do you fix this URL? First of all, step 1, it's start from the beginning. In order to have a well-optimized URL, you need to make sure that you add the correct keywords for your product when you are creating the listing. How can you find these keywords? Well, first step, you can do manual searches, so you can look at your current competitors and what keywords that they are adding. Second step would be to utilize a tool like Helium 10. Helium 10 is a tool that you can use if you are an Amazon seller. In today's video, we're going to be utilizing a feature in Helium 10 known as Magnet. Now, I logged into Magnet and I typed in my main keyword under the marketplace Amazon UAE. And what you're going to get is a lot of keywords that are related to the main keywords. This is exactly the information that you need in order to decide on the keywords that you want to add into your URL. Two main things you need to focus on. First of all, you need to check keywords that have high search volume. That's why I'm going to click on search volume so that I can get organized highest to lowest keywords. Now that you see, water bottle is the highest search volume keyword. After that, you've got different types of keywords. Obviously, you need to make sure that you're selecting the keywords that make sense. Owala, for example, might not be something that you recognize. All you need to do, put your mouse, hover over it, and then you'll see what Owala is. Now we've got the advanced view, so we're able to see the full title, we're able to see the prices, the variations, the reviews. If you wanted something a little bit simpler, you could close, and then you would just see the images. As you have probably guessed, Owala is actually a brand and should not be added into your keyword list because you're not selling the Owala brand. Hydro Flask is the same. Here we've got Owala water bottle, obviously also something that you shouldn't be using. Generic products, avoid that. Air Up is also a brand. And then we've got water bottle for kids. Straw is a very high ranking keyword. So if your water bottle actually does have a straw, that's also a keyword that you can add. So when you are deciding on the keywords, they have to be relevant to the product. Best-selling products, as an example, is not a keyword that is relevant to your particular product. So you should avoid using it. You should absolutely not use it actually in your title, because that is against Amazon's policy. But something similar to bestseller products should also not be used in your title when you are creating your listing, because again, you want the best type of keywords added into your title so that they show up in the URL. If you're looking for further tips and tricks, make sure that you download this PDF. You'll find the link in the description box of this video. It contains tips, tricks, and secrets to help you succeed on Amazon in the Middle East. And of course, it's free to download. Now, one thing that I want you to remember is when you are creating your URL, it's very necessary that in the beginning you do not add your brand name. Specifically, if you are a new private label, you're a new brand, and customers aren't going to be searching for your product via that brand name. Remember, you only have 5 keywords, so you want to make sure that you use the best 5 keywords. You can later on change your title and your URL will remain the same. If you're having issues and you need support with your Amazon business, make sure that you reach out to our team on our website, www.assmiddleeast.org. You'll find all of our programs. By the way, our programs are limited, so we work with a limited amount of sellers every single month. So if you're having a problem, head over to the website, book a meeting with one of our team members, and we'll help and support you. And as always, I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.